Ever wondered how a rotation motor in a drilling vehicle works? It might seem complex, but once you break it down, it's a fascinating interplay of meticulously designed components. Imagine a threaded rod, known as a stud, screwing into the motor housing. This stud is the very first component, providing attachment points for other parts of the motor. Next, picture the heart of the motor, the shaft. This central rotating axle transmits the rotational force from the motor to the output. It's the driving force that sets everything in motion. But of course, these vital components need protection. That's where the cover comes in. It acts as a shield, safeguarding the internal components of the motor from external harm. Then we have the gear wheel set. These gears are not just spinning aimlessly, they are changing the speed and torque of the rotation. They give the motor its speed and strength, making it adaptable to various drilling needs. The channel plate is another essential part of the puzzle. This component directs the flow of hydraulic fluid within the motor. Think of it as the traffic controller of the motor, guiding the fluid to where it needs to go. On the other end of this hydraulic fluid journey is the drive shaft of the valve. This component transmits force from the motor to the valve, which in turn regulates the fluid flow. The disc valve, the component controlled by the drive shaft, is the gatekeeper. It determines the flow of hydraulic fluid, controlling the speed and direction of the motor. Now imagine a spacer pin. This tiny part plays a big role, maintaining proper spacing between the balance plate and other components. The balance plate, aided by the spacer pin, distributes forces evenly within the motor. It helps to reduce vibration, ensuring smooth operation. The spring washer is like a shock absorber, soaking up any shock and vibration that might disrupt the motor's operation. Securing all these components in place is the nut. Tightened onto the stud, it holds everything together. Finally, the lock washer comes into play. This component prevents the nut from loosening due to vibration, ensuring the motor continues to function smoothly. In this intricate dance of components, every part has a role, and each one is vital for the rotation motor to work. From the stud to the lock washer, each piece contributes to the power and performance of the drilling vehicle. So, next time you see a drilling vehicle in action, remember the complex symphony of parts at work inside its rotation motor. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the incredible power of engineering.